If you want to know how to use otter.ai for meetings, here is the simple step-by-step way. First, go to otter.ai and sign in using your Microsoft or Google email. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, choose what to get automatic meeting notes for. Otter will join, schedule Zoom call or meetings or Microsoft meetings, or meetings where I am the host, or meetings that I manually select. And share the notes with calendar invite guests who are members of your workspace, or don't share and keep meeting notes private. Click on agree and continue. It'll ask you to allow access into your Google Calendar. Tap allow access and then tap on next. If you want to personalize your experience with this very helpful tab here, you can do it yourself, but if you don't want to, just press on skip personalization. Here, if you're on Mac OS, you can click on download to download the app on Mac OS. The Windows app is coming soon, by the way. Or if you're on Windows, you can choose the Chrome extension right on here to click install. Now, for live meetings, click record. Otter will instantly start listening and transcribing in real time. If you're using Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, connect Otter to your calendar. Otter can automatically join scheduled meetings, record them, and generate transcripts. During the meeting, Otter highlights key points, action items, and speakers automatically. You can also add notes or comments while people are talking. After the meeting ends, Otter saves the full transcript summary and timestamps. You can search, edit text, export, or share it with your team. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.